Why is it important to check the linearity assumption in linear regression analysis? The linearity assumption in linear regression analysis posits that there is a linear relationship between the independent variables, predictors, and the dependent variable, outcome. Ensuring this assumption is met is crucial for the accuracy and validity of the model. Here's why checking the linearity assumption is important. Model accuracy. Linear regression models are designed to capture linear relationships. If the actual relationship between the variables is nonlinear, the model will not accurately represent the data. Validity of statistical inferences. The validity of the statistical inferences drawn from the model, such as hypothesis tests and confidence intervals, depends on the linearity assumption. Minimization of residual errors. The linearity assumption ensures that the residuals are minimized appropriately. If the relationship is nonlinear, the residuals will show a pattern rather than being randomly distributed around zero, indicating a poor fit. Simplification of the model. Linear models are simpler to interpret and understand compared to nonlinear models. Checking for linearity ensures that the simplest model that adequately describes the data is used. Identification of model misspecification. Violations of the linearity assumption can indicate model misspecification, where the chosen model does not adequately capture the underlying data structure. Practical approach. Checking the linearity assumption involves visual and statistical methods. Plotting the residuals against the fitted values or the independent variables helps identify any nonlinear patterns. Checking the linearity assumption in linear regression analysis is crucial for ensuring model accuracy, the validity of statistical inferences, minimization of residual errors, simplification of the model, and identification of model misspecification. Analyze how outliers can affect the results of a linear regression model. In linear regression analysis, outliers can have a substantial impact on the model's results, affecting the accuracy, reliability, and interpretation of the model. Here's an analysis of how outliers can influence linear regression models. Influence on parameter estimates. Outliers can disproportionately influence the estimation of the regression coefficients. Since linear regression uses the method of least squares to minimize the sum of squared residuals, outliers, with their large residuals, can significantly affect the fitted line. Increase in residual variance. Outliers increase the variability of the residuals. This higher variability can lead to a higher standard error of the estimates, making it harder to detect significant relationships between the variables. It can also lower the R-squared value, indicating a poorer fit of the model to the data. Impact on model assumptions. Outliers can violate the assumptions of linear regression, such as homoscedasticity and normality of residuals. Misleading goodness of fit metrics. Metrics such as R-squared can be misleading in the presence of outliers. An outlier can artificially inflate or deflate the R-squared value, giving a false impression of the model's explanatory power. Detection and diagnosis. Outliers can be detected using various methods, such as scatter plots, residual plots, and statistical tests. Practical considerations. Robust regression techniques. Consider using robust regression methods that are less sensitive to outliers, such as quantile regression or Hubbard regression. Data transformation. Transforming the data can sometimes mitigate the impact of outliers. Outlier treatment. Depending on the context, outliers can be investigated to determine if they are genuine observations or errors. Outliers can significantly affect the results of a linear regression model by influencing parameter estimates, increasing residual variance, violating model assumptions, and misleading goodness of fit metrics. Detecting and addressing outliers through robust regression techniques. Data transformation. or careful treatment is essential to ensure accurate and reliable regression analysis.